Hi everyone. This is something I should have done quite some time ago. Anyway, this is essential mod or accessory that pretty much any car should have. Like I believe car manufacturers should include this from factory itself. I think Hyundai does that. I'm not sure of any other manufacturer that does it. Anyway, without indulging way too much into what it is, it's this. It's a dash cam. What I have here is the Cubo Smart Dash Cam Pro 3K. It's a two-way cam. I mean, two channel camera. There's something that's rattling inside. So you can see it's made in India, made in March 2025. Good look at the camera itself. I'm gonna do an unboxing. It's made by Cubo, if it was not obvious enough. Yeah, there's some extra bits here, and there's a seal of warranty. I mean, not to accept if it's broken. Wow. Big guy struggles to tear off seal. Opening it up, you get a product book, like what are the products they have. Ignore that. QR code for app. The rear camera looks like it came undone from the place where it's sat. So this is what the rear camera looks like. And keeping this aside, this is what the main camera looks like. Seems to be adjustable. So this is the lowest and this is the highest. I think they should be viable for things like the Jimny or Thar or whatever that has pretty much vertical windscreen. Looking further into the box, that's it. In this box you have the interesting, so it's a micro USB, not a type C. This would be a problem if this wire stopped working. I would need to go out of my way to find one new one. Keep that aside. It's the main one. This is a type C cable. That should be fine. A USB-A connector. I'll be honest, this looks a bit cheap, but I think it will work fine. And I also wish this was integrated. So I mean, it's only just one slot, and this one slot is occupied by this holy fuck, it's not coming out that easily. This is for that interior, sticking it in, whatever you want to call that bit. Extra pads or electrostatic sticker on the windshield. Okay, so these are both for the rear camera. Is there anything for the front camera? I don't know. So I'm going to put it back for now. I don't know how I'm going to install it. I need to plan everything out. Once I've done installation, I'll carry on from there. Probably will be able to do a overview or a demonstration of it in action. So it's been a few days after the last bit of the video. I went ahead and installed the front side myself. So it was fairly easy, just find a good spot. And this the type C wire connects to the side, goes through the headliner, through here, then down here, down there. For now, since I didn't have any zip ties handy, I just stuck it underneath the floor mat, and comes to this this part. That's it. And I didn't install the back part myself. I went ahead and got into a accessory shop and had them install it. So basically the same thing. So this connects here, goes through this, through there, onto the back, and through a small hatch. So the reason I did that is because I didn't have the tools, the patience, and the know-how to cleanly do that kind of job. So I just went to a local shop. They did it within 10 minutes. No, not even 10 minutes. In 5 minutes, they're done and dusted. It's, yeah. Few things to keep in mind while getting a dash cam. Most likely you will have to get a separate SD card yourself. So right here I have a 120 GB Samsung SD card. Then so there's two Cubo apps. There's the one normal Cubo, which is for like home security systems or something like that. Initially I downloaded that, couldn't find anything. Then I read the manual. They said something like Cubo Pro. So that's the actual app that you use for this camera. One immediate disappointment I found is that it only transfers through Wi-Fi. So if you have like a wireless Android Auto system or something like that, it was a pain in the ass to get it connected, because every time I try to connect to this, they say internet connection is not available, and all straight away it connects to this. It was extremely frustrating. But what I found is that turning off Bluetooth and telling Android Auto to shut the fuck up or something like that, telling just fuck off, basically telling this to fuck off basically, is what made me connect to this. Once it's connected, you can use their app to like view the camera, what camera sees, so front and back. You can record on demand, or what it usually does is that I've only taken it to one trip after attaching everything. So basically from the start till the finish, so basically till the starting of the car and towards turning it off, it records as one trip or something like that. And based on that, you can download maybe up to 3 minutes of footage. Maybe you can do more, I don't know. I've only done once or twice. So the software bit, the Wi-Fi bit is a bit frustrating. No, it's actually very frustrating. I wish there's another way to directly connect this. I know you can just remove the SD card and plug it into your computer. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll put on a couple of these things, couple of video footage. Oh yeah, something strange I found is that if you do on-demand recording, for some reason it didn't record the audio. But for normal, like everyday, like the ones after you trip, if you download from that, audio is there. But I don't know why. Anyway, I'll put up some video clips from this camera. വണ്ടി സ്ഥലം എന്താണ് പക്ഷേ അവർക്ക് നല്ല കാര്യം ചെയ്യാൻ തീരുമാനിച്ചതിന് ഇതാക്കല്ലടോ. ലൈറ്റ് അടിച്ചിട്ടൊരു കാര്യമില്ല വേണം. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe for more, or dislike and leave if you don't like this. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.